In this video, you are going to learn the structure of a compound sentence. If you haven't watched the first lesson, you can click the above card to watch it first. Remember that a simple sentence has one subject, one verb, and a complete thought. For example, Sam reads a story. Sam is the subject, and reads is the verb, and the sentence makes a complete meaning. This is a simple sentence. What about a compound sentence? A compound sentence has two simple sentences connected by a comma and a conjunction. What is a conjunction? A conjunction is a word connector, such as and, but, so, or. These conjunctions connect two simple sentences to make a compound sentence. For example, I'm a teacher and my wife is a doctor. This is a compound sentence. It has two sentences. I'm a teacher is one sentence. My wife is a doctor is another sentence. The first sentence, I'm a teacher, it has a subject I, it has a verb am, and it's a complete meaning. So it's a complete sentence. The second sentence, my wife is a doctor, my wife is a subject, is the verb, and it has a complete meaning. The two sentences are connected by a conjunction and also there is a comma before the conjunction. So this is a compound sentence. Let's study more examples. I like coffee and my friend likes tea. My friend cooks and I do the dishes. You can take a bus or you can walk. These three sentences are compound sentences. So remember, when you connect two sentences to make a compound sentence, you need two simple sentences. You need a comma and a conjunction like and, but, so, or, etc. It's easy, right? Let's practice. Are these sentences simple or compound? I read the newspaper in the morning. Is it simple or is it compound? She sleeps early so she can wake up early. I love shopping, but I don't have much money. My father works at a company. She speaks English and Spanish. Wake up. My mother wakes up at 6 a.m. and my father wakes up at 11. Sleep. I sleep at 6 p.m. so I can wake up at 5 a.m. Brush your teeth. I brush my teeth every day. Have breakfast. I have a breakfast at 7 a.m. Do my homework. I do my homework after dinner. Have a shower. I have a shower before bed. Go to bed. I go to bed at around 7 a.m. Make your bed. Make the bed. I make the bed. Do the dishes. My mother does the dishes. Do the laundry. We do the laundry on Sundays. If you want more exercises, you can check out the links down in the description box. Next week, our lesson will be about the structure of a complex sentence. Subscribe to the channel to complete the whole course of academic writing in English. Thank you so much and see you next week.